How to grow wheatgrass sprouts. Let me show you step by step how to grow wheatgrass sprouts and how to use them to make smoothies. Wheatgrass sprout is a microgreen, the only superfood containing 70% of chlorophyll molecules, while other greens such as spinach and parsley are very high in chlorophyll. Wheatgrass stands out with the highest count of chlorophyll molecules. You may have already heard that fresh wheatgrass juice is very expensive, and fresh wheatgrass juice is not easy to find. That is true. You've also seen commercial bottled wheatgrass sprouts, juice, and wheatgrass powder at health food stores and other sources. That is good, but the trouble is, wheatgrass sprouts juice loses most of its potency within 10 minutes from the time it is extracted. So, to receive 100% of wheatgrass juice nutritional benefits, fresh wheatgrass juice is the best choice, and it must be consumed immediately after the juice is extracted. One legitimate concern some people have about wheatgrass juice is the taste. That's a valid concern, so let's address it. Most people get used to the wheatgrass juice flavor by the third day of drinking 1 ounce of it every morning. However, I have a better solution that eliminates all of these concerns. A solution so delicious that even children will love it and ask for more. So, like and subscribe to this channel while I teach you about wheatgrass sprouts, its benefits, and how to make a delicious drink with it. Also, pay attention to the slides on this video. It shows you step by step how I grow wheat sprouts from my kitchen counter at home and save a lot of money. This method of growing wheatgrass sprouts is GMO-free, clean, and hydroponically grown with your own hands with love, and that is simply great. Watch the video slides closely to learn how I use my fresh wheatgrass sprouts to make a delicious morning smoothie for my family's overall health improvement. Adding fruits or berries or both to your wheatgrass sprout smoothie eliminates that strong wheatgrass taste completely, making it a delightful morning health drink, saving you breakfast money. By growing your own wheatgrass sprouts, you can use it every day whenever you want and reap all their health benefits, knowing exactly what is in your drink. Getting what you need to grow your own wheatgrass sprouts costs less than buying 1 ounce of fresh wheatgrass juice every day for 1 week. Another benefit of making wheatgrass sprout smoothies is that it saves you a lot of money in the purchase of a wheatgrass press juicer. Although if you still want just the pressed wheatgrass juice and don't have a machine, you can blend the wheatgrass sprouts blades in a blender with a little water and strain the juice by using a cheesecloth. Or of course, you can purchase a wheatgrass press juicer. Any of these options are perfect. The alternative of growing your own wheatgrass sprouts at home saves you money in many aspects and helps you to maintain your healthy lifestyle nearly free of cost. However, the real benefits of growing your own wheatgrass sprouts are these. Wheatgrass sprouts are rich in chlorophyll molecules, so rich in chlorophyll that it is referred to as green blood for its potency. The chlorophyll molecular structure is similar to hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is the protein that carries oxygen within the vascular system. And because of this similarity, chlorophyll molecules from wheatgrass sprouts assist in oxygenation of the human blood cells. The main difference between the chlorophyll molecular structure and hemoglobin is that the chlorophyll molecules contain magnesium at their core, and hemoglobin contains iron. Research suggests that chlorophyll consumed from foods like wheatgrass sprouts may assist in the body's production of healthy red blood cells and improve oxygen delivery to muscle tissues, resulting in our increased energy and well-being. Furthermore, wheatgrass sprouts contain vitamins A, C, E, and vitamin K and B9. Plus, it also contains iron, calcium, magnesium, protein, and fiber. Wheatgrass sprouts consumption date back thousands of years in ancient Egypt and Mesopotamia. Wheatgrass sprouts consumption in the form of juice became popular in the Western world in the 1930s after the studies done by Charles Schnabel. Then later, in 1940, Charles Kettering began other studies using FDA standards. Research still continues now in the 21st century to explore the potential benefits of wheatgrass sprouts' chlorophyll extracts. For details on the numerous clinical research being done on wheatgrass sprouts, Google clinical research on wheatgrass sprouts. Here is the recipe for the wheatgrass sprout smoothie that I made in this video. Clips of about 1/4 of a small tray of wheatgrass sprouts, 1 banana, 1 apple, 1 cup blueberries, 6 frozen blackberries, 6 frozen cherries, 1 cup mint tea, 1 cup milk, honey to taste. Optional. You can use 1 cup of fruit juice and 3 tablespoons of whole oats in the blender as a substitute for cow milk. Use more juice to adjust to the consistency that you want. This wheatgrass sprouts smoothie is a delicious breakfast drink and delivers a healthy energy boost for your morning. You can find what you need to grow wheatgrass sprouts in our affiliate links in the description of this video. Like and subscribe for more content like this. And let me know how well your sprouts turned out. Thank you for watching Esther Spa.